Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. In this video, I'll show you 4 extremely useful websites that I believe the majority of you will find beneficial. So without any further ado, let's go through each website one by one. The first website I will mention is Myinstants, which is really handy for content makers and those who make videos in general, because myinstants.com has over 40,000 funny buttons on the soundboard. It is the largest sound buttons website. You can see a list of all these sounds that are now popular in my country over here. You can also search for sounds that have been recently added to this website, or you can search by category for sounds related to movies, anime, television, simple sound effects, music, memes, and so on. You may also use the search bar to look for a sound by its name. Also, one of the coolest features of this website is that it functions as an actual soundboard.
Oh no!
So you can click the specific buttons to hear a sample of the sounds before downloading them. To obtain these free sounds, simply click on the desired sound and then select Download MP3 from the next page. You are free to use the sounds in your videos without any restrictions. The second website I'm going to discuss is QuillBot, which is a fantastic tool for students and writers. Its main function is paraphrasing. Simply type or copy-paste the written content into the left box, then press the paraphrase button. The entire written content will be automatically paraphrased for you by this website. You can also edit the words in the newly paraphrased version of your original content to suit your requirements. You can also rephrase your written content once again if you want. By adjusting the slider above on the top right, you can also change the number of the synonyms in your paraphrased version. QuillBot improves the quality of your write-up by combining words in new ways or removing unwanted words to make it sound more professional and brief. You can also switch from standard to fluency mode. The remaining 4 modes can only be accessed if you subscribe to QuillBot's premium service. However, I believe that the free version of QuillBot is sufficient for most people. Aside from the main function of this website, you can utilize other features for free, such as the grammar checker, summarizer, citation generator, and the co-writer tool. You can also use QuillBot as a free extension for Google Chrome, Microsoft Word, and Google Docs. The third website is 1337x. Most of you may be familiar with it, but for those who don't know what it is, it's a website where you can download torrents. It is highly useful for people looking for free pirated movies, games, or web series, along with other things. The majority of the links to 1337x no longer work, but this one does, and I'll include the URL in the description. Simply type the name of the torrent you want to look for, then hit enter or search for it. Then using any torrent downloader such as uTorrent or BitTorrent, download it using the magnet link option. 1337x has become one of the most popular and alternative torrent sites since Kick-Ass Torrents was banned long ago. The final website is Pexels, which is quite valuable for anyone looking for free high-quality copyright-free stock footage. Pexels offers an incredible range of free HD stock footage that you can choose from and download. You may also use the name of the stock footage to search for it. You can also preview the videos before downloading them, check the quality, and then download them for free. That's all I have to say in this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.